Hello, magandang morning. Si Kuya Jun Malubago po ito. Back to review tayo. Kasi ngayong darating na November 23, mayroon examination po ang NAPOLCOM PNP, National Police Commission ng Philippine National Police, na tinatawag nila na PESE, yung Police Executive Service Eligibility. Ang exam po niyan is on November 23, 2024, at saka yung entrance examination and promotional examination. This gonna be on November 24 at 2024 next month, ngayon po month. So ang content po natin ngayon, gaya ng promise ko sa inyo, pangako sa inyo, magbibigay po tayo lagi ng meaty, malaman na content katulad ng pag-review nito. For the couple of months nakapag-review tayo ng civil service exam, police examination, at saka partly ng professional regulation commission, yung board exam naman ng real estate brokers. Ngayon, dito po sa pag-aaralan po natin, ang reviewin po natin about the NAPOLCOM at saka PNP, PESE, entrance and promotional exams, general information, yung verbal reasoning, logical reasoning, quantitative reasoning, at saka yung about the math. Now, sa general information, ang coverage po dyan, pag-aralan po natin yung 1987 Philippine Constitution and Government, Philippine History, Republic Acts, tungkol yan sa police matters, and jurisprudence, yung PCJ is Philippine Criminal Justice System, PNP Law and History, and wag natin kalimutan yung Republic Acts RA 6975 and RA 8551, of course, yung current events. So yung nakalipas na araw, nag-umpisa na po tayo ng pagbibigay ng review. Ngayon, itutuloy lang po natin. Ito na po ang review natin. According to the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, the territorial sea of the Philippines shall comprise of how many nautical miles? Ang tamang sagot dyan is 12 nautical miles. So pag pinag-usapan natin po yung territorial sea ng Pilipinas, base sa 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea is 12 nautical miles. Yung pa ang sagot. Now, next question. According to 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, contiguous zone shall comprise of how many nautical miles? So, speaking of contiguous zone, that is 24 nautical miles. Okay? According to the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, the exclusive economic zone or EEZ, exclusive economic zone, shall comprise of how many nautical miles? The answer is 200 nautical miles. So, wag natin pagkalimutan po yan, baka itanong sa exam. Yung territorial sea ng Pilipinas, as far as the law of the sea is 12 nautical miles, contiguous zone 24 nautical miles, and exclusive economic zone naman 200 nautical miles. Okay? Ang next na tanong, what is a community of persons more or less numerous, permanently occupying a definite portion of territory, having a government of their own, to which the great body of inhabitants render obedience, and enjoying the freedom of external control? So malaya po, ang sagot dyan is state, estado. So it is a community of persons, more or less numerous, permanently occupying a definite portion of territory. So they have freedom from external control. And the inhabitants render obedience to the government. The answer is state, estado. And what is a fixed portion on the surface of the earth inhabited by the people of the state. Fixed portion po ito on the surface of the earth. Ano? Inhabited by the people of the state. The answer is territory. The answer is territory. Okay? Under the 1987 Constitution, the Philippines is a republican and parliamentary. Republican, and the Philippines is a republican state and democratic state, not parliamentary. Republican po tayo kasi we have three forms of the branches of government. Remember, the executive branch of the government, the legislative form of government, and the judicial form of government. So ergo, therefore, the Philippines is a republican and democratic state. Now, in Section 2, Article 2 of the 1987 Constitution, as far as the Declaration of Principles of and the state policies, the Philippines renounces war as an instrument of national policy. So, lagi po natin tandaan yan as far as the Section 2, Article 2, the state policies, Declaration of Principles, and the state policies, the 1987 Constitution, the Philippines renounces war. That is an instrument of our national policy. So, civilian authority is at all times supreme over military. So, civilian authority is at all times supreme over military. So, nakakataas po. Halimbawa, elected official ka, president, nakakataas pa. Kaya nga siya ang tinatawag na commander-in-chief. So, the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Now, according to Article 2, Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the AFP, is the protector of the people and the state. Who is the protector of the people? Sino po yung nagpoprotekta ng taong bayan at saka estado natin? According to the Article 2, Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution, it is the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP. Yun po ang sagot. Now, next question. What is the primordial duty of the government based on the Constitution? Ano po yung pinaka-importante primordial duty of the government based on the Constitution? Is to serve and protect. That is the answer. Magsisilbi po sila at proteksyonan nila. That is the primordial duty. The importance, okay, the essential duty of the government based on the 1987 Constitution is to preserve and protect, okay, the people and the state. What is an essential for the enjoyment by all of the people of the blessings of democracy? What are the essential for the enjoyment by all of the people of the blessings of democracy? Yun po yung tinatawag, what are the blessings of democracy? Number 1 po, protection of life. Blessings of democracy po yan. Proteksyonan po yung buhay natin. Protection of property. Protection ng property natin. Propriedad. Protection of our liberty. Yung kalayaan po natin. No? Yung liberty natin. Yung kalayaan po natin. And of course, protection of general welfare. So yun po yung baka itanong sa inyo po, what are the blessings of democracy that the people of the Republic of the Philippines will enjoy? Number 1, protection of life. Number 2, protection of property. Number 3, protection of liberty. And promotion of general welfare. Now, according to Article 2, Section 6 of the 1987 Constitution, the separation of the church and the state shall be inviolable. So, magkaiba po yan, violable at saka inviolable. So, there is a demarcation line. Separate po talaga yan. Yung Estado at saka yung church. Separation of the church and the state. So, yun. The state, ang Estado po, value the dignity of every human person and guarantees full respect for human rights. So, yun, yung binavalue po natin, pinapahalagahan po natin yung dignidad ng taong bayan. The state value dignity of every human person and guarantees full respect. Respetuhan po natin, ibavalue natin yung dignidad ng bawat tao at respetuhan po natin ang human rights, ang karapatan nila bilang tao, human rights. So, dyan lang po muna tayo mag-adjourn. Series 2 na ito sa pag-review natin. Prayerfully po napulutan po natin ng informasyon at saka aral itong na-share po natin sa umaga po na ito. So, naway pagpalain po tayo ng Panginoon kahit na mayroon mga sakuna na nangyayari sa bansa natin. Katulad natin, ipag-pray po natin dyan sa mga kababayan natin somewhere in Bicol region at saka Quezon province at saka kahit po dito sa Northern Luzon, tinabahan po ng bagyong Christine. Sana'y nasa ligtas po sila ng kalagayan at magkaroon po sila ng peace of mind at malagpasan nila ang pagsubok na dinaranas nila sa buhay. Pero tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo ng pag-review para po pumasa po kayo sa NAPOLCOM, PNP, PESE examination and entrance examination and promotional examination this coming November 23 and 24, 2024. Si Kuya Jun Malubago po ito, nagsabi ingat po kayo lahat and may God bless us all. Maraming salamat po.